People think that they have to either have fun or be healthy. It's like a binary choice. But trust me, the healthy option can be the joyful option. I love my morning routine. I try to take this approach that little tiny habits add up to big change. I like to wake up and I make my bed. And then it's crunch time. It's get in the kitchen, breakfast for the kids. Their chia pudding this morning was made with dragon fruit, which is packed with antioxidants and polyphenols. I want to give them the best start when it comes to their health. I have a PhD in molecular biology that I use to educate people about the power of food for health. I am a cookbook author. My goal is to demystify spices for the average home cook. Cooking for me is therapy. I find it relaxing, I find it meditative, I find it creative. I love it. Except when my kids are screaming that they're starving and they need food now, then it gets a little tricky. So I think we focus a lot as a culture on our macros. Like we need to make sure we're getting enough protein, but the micronutrients often get overlooked, and I think that's where my spices come in. In my smoothie, I have AG1. There's some soy milk in there for protein, a little bit of Greek yogurt, and I also have my spices like turmeric and ginger. All of these micronutrients really work at a cellular level to improve our health. But at the end of the day, people want to eat for joy. Yes, they want to eat for health, but ultimately what's going to keep a plan sustainable is that it tastes delicious. I try to have fun with it. I don't want it to seem like a chore. Very often people feel like I have to do these things because they're going to make me feel good later. No, I feel good now. So I like to run, I like to power walk, I like to use a stationary bike, but I also like to strength train and do yoga. I like to think of my self-care practice as this diverse kind of investment portfolio into my longevity. Whether it's in my meditation practice or in the flavors in my food that I use, the spices that I enjoy, whether it's getting some mindfulness in, getting that smoothie in. Diversity is the spice of life.